Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a comparison between stock halogens in the interior on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima versus a 7th-gen Nissan Maxima with full Auxito LED upgrades on the interior. So this is 2012, this is 2011. If you follow the channel, I just got this one a week ago, and that one I got almost a year ago. In 2.5 weeks, it'll be a full year since I purchased that one. So if you also don't follow the channel, I'm partnered with Auxito, so get 15% off using promo code MarkRodriguez at www.auxito.com. So I'm gonna unlock this one with the full halogen. So this is how it looks from the outside. Halogen. So gonna open the door. Yep, accidentally locked it. So this is how the interior looks. Zooming out makes it darker. So this is how the interior looks from the inside. So let me step back a couple feet. Now, is this my other key? Yeah. Look how much brighter it is already. So let's walk closer. See how much brighter it is. And now with me being even closer, oops, there you go. This is how I even got the footwell and LEDs, Auxito. Everything in here is Auxito LEDs. So, footwell, I'm gonna show you on the other Maxima as well. So, that's that. Where's the other key? See? You immediately tell the difference. Look how dim the lights are in there versus in mine. I believe the footwell, yeah, footwell's not working, but that one's working. So you can see, don't mind all the sand. I still haven't cleaned the carpet in this one. So let's do that again. So comparison, how bright that is versus this. So hopefully that's a good comparison. It's in the same vehicle, just a year difference between the two, but it really doesn't matter. 2009 to 2014, they all the same. So everything will be listed in the link below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.